Set up every kind of payment account that you possibly can.
Hi everyone, it's Laura here at the Chipley Fair. I'm walking around meeting some amazing vendors. Let's go chat with someone and see what's going on. Hi everyone, I'm here with Kim with Kim's Candles, and we're going to talk to her about her business today.
Hi, I'm Kim of Kim's Candles. I sell beeswax candles. I am a nurse full-time, but this is basically my small business that my husband and I do together. This is basically our time, mine and my husband's time. So we sell all natural beeswax candles. I don't put any scent or color in them. It's all natural plus a cotton wick, so no chemicals.
Right, and how long have you been doing this?
About 4 years, 3 to 4 years.
And where do you get your inspiration for new scents or shapes, whatever kind of things you do?
I get some new ideas when I do test burns, because I do test them all quite often and learn what's working. Some people, like for example, my dripless candles, they do not make a mess, and I have learned that some of my customers do not, when you burn a taper, sometimes they do leave a little puddle or a little drip, but I've learned from the new shape that I have that it just burns straight down. That one does not make a mess at all.
So have you ever had a lesson learned the hard way moment at a show?
Yes, we got a better tent for a really windy day. So make sure that if you're a vendor with a tent, a pop-up tent, do spend the extra money on a heavy duty one. It is worth the money.
The wind blew up out of nowhere.
Do you have a favorite event or market you've attended?
Probably we like the Hummingbird Festival that is in Hogansville, Georgia. It's a nice event, and we've gone there. This will be our 3rd year.
Okay, now it's time to play a quick game called This or That.
This or that.
I'll give you 2 scenarios, and you tell me which one you prefer. Cash or card?
Card.
Online sales or in-person sales?
In person.
Small local market or big festivals?
I'd like a big festival.
Music while you work or silence to focus?
That does not matter. I could tune that out.
All right, long weekend shows or one-day pop-ups?
I like the 2-day. 2-day seems to be a good time.
If you could give one tip to new vendors, what would it be?
I would suggest set up every kind of payment account that you possibly can. Cash App, Venmo, get a card reader, whatever sort you want, and then make sure that you set up a small business account. It does help you be more disciplined if you kind of keep your personal finances away from your business finances. And, don't forget yourself. Don't forget to pay yourself.
I want to thank Kim for sharing her story today. If you want to follow her or find some of her products, all of her information and links will be listed in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes vendor stories from craft shows, like this one.